everyone, this is Tricia and welcome to my channel. Tonight I'm going to be making some air fryer donuts and I'm going to be using some biscuits to do those. I have an 8 count of a jumbo flaky biscuits. Use the brand that you like. I've got 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, which I will be melting in the microwave. In this bowl I have about a cup of sugar and some cinnamon. This is about 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. I'm going to mix that up so that I can coat some of my donuts with that. And then I'm going to make a glaze as well, and I've got about a cup of powdered sugar or confectionery sugar here, and I've got some milk here on the side. I don't know exactly how much I'm going to add to it. I'll add a little bit at a time. And then I've got some vanilla extract to create a nice glaze for half of the other donuts. Okay, so let's get started by punching out the holes on our biscuits. All right, I've got my 8 biscuits here on this board here, and I'm going to use this shot glass actually to punch out the donut holes. You could use a small biscuit cutter or a round cookie cutter or even a star, whatever shape you want to do. Maybe even some hearts for Valentine's Day. So I'm just going to puncture that and get that little donut hole out of there. Let's do the next one a little bit better. Twist it around. There we go. That was a lot better. And separate this over to the side. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of these and I shall be back. And when they're all punched out. Alright, so all my holes have been punched out on my donuts. I'm going to put 4 of them in here first so that I don't crowd them up. And then I'm going to put also 4 of the donut holes in there. Okay. This is going to go into my air fryer at 370 for about 5 minutes. Now I've already done them before and I had to try different times and I honestly don't even remember. So I'm going to go ahead and try 5 minutes for now and we'll see how that works. Alright everyone, this is what the donuts look like after 5 minutes in the air fryer. They're nice and hot and toasty. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it because I put the temperature at 370 and I went ahead and I looked it up and it should have been 350. So the next batch I'm going to do at 350, but I am still going to use the 5 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and put the next batch in here, get that going, and then we're going to put some cinnamon sugar on this first batch. Alright, so I've melted the butter in the microwave, and this first batch, what I'm going to do is I am going to just get some butter, brush it onto each of my donuts, and I'm only going to do this like on the sides and the top, and then I'm going to dunk them into my cinnamon sugar here. And the reason that I'm doing this is because the last time that I made them, I put sugar, like I put butter and sugar all the way around, and they were nice and coated. But it was kind of sweet, so I decided that we don't need to put any on the bottom. Even though some of it gets caught down there, we don't need to worry about that. So I'm just going to do the tops. And then do the same thing with the little donut holes. Just get some butter on them. And then get that sugar to stick. There we go. And let me show you that. And there's the donut. And they look so delicious. Alright, so I'm going to finish these off. And then I'm going to start off a little glaze for my next batch. Okay, so for this glaze, like I said, I have some powdered sugar in here. I'm going to add a little bit of milk at a time. And mix it up until it gets kind of drizzly, where I can drizzle it over or just dunk my donuts right in there and let them get covered. And you're going to have to just kind of just do a lot of stirring. There's a lot of whisking because you want to break up all that powdered sugar, just because it looks a lot prettier. Okay, and then I'm also going to put maybe half a teaspoon of vanilla extract in there. Okay, so I'm going to keep mixing this up till I've created a nice little glaze. That smells really good. Okay, I've got about a minute for my donuts to be done in the fryer, and I will be getting them and pulling them out. So I've got my second batch, and they actually came out a little bit browner, but I don't mind that. I think it's because my air fryer was still hot, and that's okay. So I'm just gonna dip them in the glaze, and I've tasted the glaze, and it's a little sweet. So again, I'm only gonna put some on the top of my donuts. Now, I ended up just putting those about 2 tablespoons that you saw me first pour of milk into about a cup of confectioner sugar. So that is what I ended up using of milk in my glaze here. I still have a lot of it left over, but I'll just drink that up. Okay, so we're just gonna put them aside, let them drip on each other. Now, if you want lots of glaze on there and you like it really sweet, I would probably do this a lot thicker, put less milk in there. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put all these donut holes upside down in there. Move this over, put my plate right here so that you see this finishing up right here. If you want, you can put them on a little wire rack as well, maybe over a flat cookie sheet or something, and then just drizzle this glaze over them if you make it a little bit thicker, and just let it drip down onto the pan. Okay, well, there we go. There are my nice air fryer donuts and some little donut holes. I think we need to give these a test. All right, everyone, let's go ahead and give these a try. I'm gonna try the glazed ones because I did already try these and these were great. So now I'm gonna try the glazed. Yep. Very, very nice. What I will say is I'm going to let them cool off next time before I do the glazing, so it doesn't melt so much on there, and then maybe it'll just dry up a little bit thicker on there than they did. So that's the only thing that I would do different. Otherwise, these are great. You would probably want a little thicker glaze, a little bit more, but for our liking, these are perfectly sweet the way they are. So I'm going to give myself a big old sticky thumbs up. I hope that you too will give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment down below. Let me know if you're going to be trying these, or if you've been wanting to find out about an air fryer. I think they're working really great. I've already made quite a few things in there, including some chicken, and I've done some mozzarella sticks, you know, fish and other things like that will be great in this air fryer. Save yourself lots of fat by not having to use any oils. So I'm going to recommend it. All right, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and push that little notification bell to make sure you get your notices on when I update, which is every Tuesday and every Friday. And make sure you share on your social medias. And as always, enjoy.